If you're using New Outlook and have multiple calendars, you may have realized that they're all being displayed one on top of the other. If you're happy with that, fantastic. You don't need to carry on watching this video. But if you want to split them out to be able to see things clearly, separately, then let me show you how in today's video. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. Please do choose to subscribe to the channel to be told as new videos become available, and remember to hit that notification bell. Here I am in my new Outlook calendar, and you can see that I have got 4 calendars displayed on screen. At the moment, doesn't look like it. I can only see one. What you're actually seeing is events, or if I go to next week where I've got things, you can see they are actually displayed as the various calendars within my screen. If you don't like that, if you want to separate them out, then all you need to do is to click the button on the ribbon at the top, split view, and you can see it separates them out and shows you the individual calendars. Let's just move me out the way. When you click split view, all of your calendars are displayed. You might find that you need to scroll across to see the additional calendars, which is not exactly what we've been used to. So that is something that has now changed. If you don't want to see specific calendars, we can use the calendar list over on the left-hand side to simply untick it and to hide it. If I now scroll back across, you can see my US one is no longer being displayed. To return it back to the single view, simply go back to the split view button and it returns it to what's actually called the overlay view. So slight difference compared to classic Outlook, where the default was usually the split view. That's now changed. So remember, if you are moving from classic Outlook to new Outlook, the default has changed to be the overlay. And if you do return it to the split view, it doesn't try and fit everything on screen anymore. It will simply make you scroll backwards and forwards depending on how many calendars you've got displayed. Found this video useful? Then please do give it a like by clicking the thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. If you've recently started using the new Outlook desktop application compared to Classic, then you're going to want to sign up and get access to my spreadsheet where I'm recording all of the differences that I'm finding as I go through what's been removed, what doesn't work, and what's been added. This is free. You simply need to sign up. You will be joining my mailing list and you'll get access to the latest version as I update things. The link is displayed below or in the description. Click on the options to expand the description depending on which application you're using.